let's take a quick look at how to count cells containing text. And so first we're going to look at if the text is the whole thing in a cell. And so we just do something called countif. We can select the data range, so it can be one or more columns and rows, and then we can just type it in. So for example, sky. And so that works great. We can also reference a cell just like this, and then we can put in whatever we want. Now these all have the same number, but if I change this to sky, for example, that changes to 4. So it automatically counts how many times water shows up in this table. Now, next, let's look at what happens if we have more than just that search word in the data. So for example, here we have things like endless sky. So if we try to do the same search, we do countif, and we search this for sky, we're not getting anything because this is not an exact match for this. So there's a couple ways you can do this. First of all, just in the cell, we can add an asterisk before and or after. So depending upon where you put this wildcard, it will search either after, and so this will be sky with anything after. We can do asterisk before, and I'll do anything up to, so you can decide if you want it just the end, for example, just the beginning, or both. And so this is going to look for sky anywhere in those cells. And so if we hit enter, you can see it comes up with 5. And so again, if we change one of these, you can see that updates automatically. And then we can do the same thing and we can tie it to this cell. We just have to do a little bit of magic here. So instead of just referencing the cell like we did before, because that again is going to come up with nothing, we need to wrap this with asterisks. So how do we do that with a cell? So we can use double quotes, put that asterisk inside, ampersand, and that combines it with a cell. And so this is just going to be anything up till sky. So it's counting things like this. So you can tell because I just deleted it. And then to combine it afterwards, we're going to do another ampersand, double quote, asterisk, and double quote to close it out. And there we go. So what this is doing is the same thing as we were doing before. So asterisk on both sides. And then now you can search for this anywhere it shows up. So now we can change this to world, for example, and it will find this underwater world right here. One thing to keep in mind is this is not case sensitive, and it will find things even in the middle. And so I'm looking for something here. So for example, if we're looking for hour, it will find things like hour inside this word. So just keeping that in mind when you do searches like this. All right, so that's it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.